All right, welcome to Module 13. We're going to learn how to use the Paint Bucket tool. So first things first, I want to come here, zoom out, and I'm going to take my rectangle marquee tool, select this guy right here, select your background layer to make sure you have something to copy from, Command C to copy, Command V to paste, select your move tool, and let's move it down here, Command T to transform to scale it. So I'm just going to make it large enough to fit inside. And now let's zoom in. So Paint Bucket tool is this tool right here. Keyboard shortcut is G. And the awesome thing with the Paint Bucket tool right here, it tells you what color you are painting. So you can double click, change whatever color you want. Click OK. And then you can come in here and just start painting. And you can actually come here and instead of selecting a color this way, you can even sample colors from your canvas. You can come in here and let's sample another color. I to sample colors, G for the Paint Bucket tool. I can come in here and paint some colors, and suddenly it turns this into a pop art looking piece. Let's see. I want to add a very light blue. Yep, okay. Come in here, paint a little bit of that. Nope. And there we go. You can just play with it. So go ahead and play around with it. When you're done, Shift Command 4, take a screenshot to upload to eCadence.